I'm Anil Kumar. We are trying to understand how to divide fractions, and we have taken a practical example. The example here is, suppose you have 3 cups of concentrate. A recipe for a glass of punch calls for 3/4 of concentrate. How many glasses of punch can you make, right? So we have 3 cups of concentrate, that is 3, and every recipe requires 3/4. Right? So we'll divide by 3/4 to get the answer, right? So how many glasses can you make? You can make these many glasses. Now the question is, how to really divide by a fraction, right? So let us understand. So we'll have 3 different models to solve this particular question. So one of the model here is making a figure. So let us say these are our cups, right? So I'm not making a 3D figure. I'm making a 2D cup kind of thing. So we have 3 cups, correct? So we have these 3 cups. Now what we are saying is that the recipe for a glass of punch calls for 3/4. 3/4. So let me divide each cup into 4 equal parts. Let's say this is half, right? Then again half. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That is how we can divide this into 4 equal parts, right? So we'll divide them into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now it says that the recipe for a glass of punch calls for 3/4 of concentrate. So for one glass, we need 3/4. So that means we can take 1, 2, 3, right? So this will give us 1 glass. Do you see that? So that is 1 glass. Now for the second glass, we have 1 here, right? But we need, these are all 1/4, right? Each 1/4, 3 1/4. So 1 and 2. So that gives us 3 1/4. Is that okay? So these are 3 1/4. So second glass. Now for the third glass, we have 2 here, right? So we have 2 here. We need 1 more 1/3. So that is 1/4, right? So 3 1/4. And then again, we are left with exactly 3 1/4. So we have another glass of punch which can be made. So we can count 1, 2, 3, and 1 4. So this should be equals to 4. So that is how we can make a model and understand. I hope this process is clear. One other way is to use the fact that division and multiplication are reciprocal, right? So that is reciprocal relation. So we could write 3 divided by 3/4 as 3 times 4/3, right? So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is indeed 4. So again we get the result by using the reciprocal relation. Do you see that? So you can see we have already done it with 2 different methods, right? So this is, let's say, method number 1. This is method number 2. Here is another method. We call it number line. Now this is very important to understand, sometimes a bit confusing. So we'll just take a number line here which extends on both the sides. On a number line, let's make 3 divisions. 1, from 0, let's start with 0. And let's say this is 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay. Since we want to work with 3/4, we'll divide each into 4 equal parts, okay? So let's divide them into 4 equal parts. So this is half, and then these are 4 parts, right? So half and 4 parts, half, and so each is 1/4. Do you see? Each is 1/4, correct. Now we want 3/4 for each punch. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this is first punch. Do you see that? Let me highlight with different things. So we'll take 3 1/4. This is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, right? So this is second punch, okay. And then we can use another 3/4, which is 1, 2, and 3. And finally, another 3/4. So we are left with 1, 2, and 3, right? So these are the punches which we could make. Clearly from here, these are 1 glasses, second glass, third, and fourth, right? So from a number line, you can count like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can make 4 glasses of punch, right? So that is how you could answer using a number line. I hope the concept is clear. I'm Anil Kumar. Please post your comments, and if you need to get anything clear, please don't hesitate to ask questions. Thank you and all the best.